case number 2 of my EDC knives I have in rotation. Starting at the top, right off the top of my head, I can't remember this little guy's name, but it's Gerber. And for a while I did not like Gerber because I had a fail, but I gave Gerber another chance, and believe it or not, they're coming back pretty strong. Second is Kershaw Fat Cat assisted opening 8CR 13 MOV. Liner lock. Kershaw SOG XCOM, which I have another version in Blade HQ exclusive Desert Warrior. You'll see it once we go through my collection. This is the Kershaw grinder. Both these knives are 8CR 13 MOV for the blade steel. And we have the Gerber Fast Draw, high carbon stone wash finished blade. Then we have the Gerber Swagger 7CR 17 MOV, the blade steel, G10 handle. So that was pretty cool. Liner lock. Pretty smooth action. By the way, the Fat Cat, XCOM are both G10 handles. And this guy is glass reinforced nylon. And last we have the Gerber. Oh, this was a weird knife when I picked it up, but I kind of just really like it. It's got a plunger lock, safety, so you can't close the blade or open it. Makes it extra strong. Glass reinforced nylon, thick handle. It's a pretty cool knife. And we have, I like neck knives. I'm a big fan. So got the Gerber Ghost Strike G10 handle, but it feels kind of rubbery. And that's a, if you can see it, I believe it's a 8CR blade. I could be wrong. But, you know, pretty much basic budget steel. But as we go through the collection, I have some with some premium steels. So, oh, I forgot to show this guy that was in my other box. It is, speaking of steel, the SOG Terminus XR. Whoops, fail. Terminus XR D2 blade, G10 handle. It was coated with the black blade, but I've found that a lot of blades coated in black, depending on the steel, has little rust bubbles in the black. It drives me crazy. So I try to oil it or fix it and end up stripping the coating off. Now this one was solid black, even the details. So I took all of that off. Almost couldn't tell it was a solid black knife. I think I did a pretty good job. But, yep, SOG Terminus XR with the crossbar lock. And all of these knives are budget, under $100. This is about 50, $55. I'll go over the prices at a later date. But there you have it.